Today we have a lot of animals. The first one is a leopard. The next one is a tiger. This is a tiger. The next animal is a rooster. This is a rooster. The next one is a dog. This is a dog. The next one is a camel. This is a camel. The next one is a panda. This is a panda. The next one is a lioness. This is a lioness. A sheep. This is a sheep. The next one is a hen. This is a hen. A hen. A lion. This is a lion. The next one is a rabbit.